What's up guys? How are you today? Welcome back to Roll Adam. So today I will unboxing a special from Intial D guys. Okay, so the main character and the very fast character, a very fast car in Intial D is T6 Torino. So okay, so next I will unboxing into the Skyline GTR R32. Okay guys, so let's unboxing this one first. Guys, so still in plastic, so we unboxing this one. Alright guys. Okay guys, so unboxing this one. Alright. Okay guys, so done. It's plastic. So guys, so I will unboxing this entire AA86 Torino. So let's unboxing guys. Woo! Okay guys, so but here this type Tomica 145. Okay guys, so let's unboxing. Oh my god guys. Woo! The white type here, Toyota Sprinter Torino 2030 guys. Oh guys, oh, beautiful car. You can see, you can see this car is very beautiful, and you can open the door. Yes, okay guys. The Japan type. Woo! Very crazy guys, very beautiful car. See, and in front you can see this. Woo! Done unboxing this car. Okay, so next car we will unboxing this Intial D Nissan Skyline GTR R32 from Tomica. Okay guys, dream Tomica. Okay guys, so let's unboxing. Okay, Intial D here, Legend 2. Whew. Okay guys, so let's unboxing. Okay, still with the Tomica brand. So guys, let's unboxing. Oh my god guys, oh very heavy. This guy is very heavy guys, this guy is very heavy. So let's see what this had. Okay, as you can see this, so let's see unboxing. Okay guys, so you see the type is Nissan Skyline GTR R32, made in Vietnam. Whoa guys, it's very heavy. This car is very heavy. Okay, so metal here. Okay, you see behind this car. Woo! Respect to Nissan GTR. In front, oh very beautiful car guys. So it can open door here and here guys. Oh, the seat you see, whoo, half meter at there, very beautiful. And the seat, whoo, what is type here? Night dream. What is drift? Oh, I cannot read that. Need it's okay. So let's see. for me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for supporting me, and bye.